Meaning of defensively.
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 Defensively. Defensively is an adverb that describes actions taken to protect oneself or something from harm or danger. A defensive approach may involve caution, readiness, and preparation to respond if necessary. When someone acts defensively, they may be reacting to a perceived threat or taking steps to prevent negative outcomes. Using a defensive strategy can lead to increased safety, security, and protection. However, it can also lead to missed opportunities for growth or progress if overly cautious. Overall, the meaning of defensively is to take steps to safeguard against potential harm or danger.